right, you bums. Listen up. Hey, suntan oil don't go good with a three-piece suit. You know, makes it all oily and stupid looking. All you swing cats, let's try something new. Drag your elbows off the barn you can from the old bar stool. There's a place called the Ocean, you probably heard about in school. Now they ain't got no martinis there, but man, it's really cool. Guess what, barfly buddies? Got women's down there too. But that's for rump-soaked Romeo, that dummy ain't got a clue. And just for viewing pleasure, head down by the pier. Hey, think of all the dough you'll save on whiskey, gin, and beer, bum. Jazz and bars. So plop your ass down in the sand and look up at the stars. And if you're feeling homesick, bring a showgirl or two. Toss them out a volleyball and hey, enjoy the view. What's that? That's a shell. That's what your little sister's gonna come out of when I date her. You understand what I'm saying, bum? Oh, those things swimming out there? Hey, that's dolphin. You know, flipper. That's what they make the tuna sandwiches out of, make them taste good. They sell them at the deli. You know what I'm talking about?